Today we'll sail the San Diego Bay, and we are going to depart from here. Ready for it. So this is the boat we are going to sail. It's a Catalina 36. And we're getting ready.
She just said Leanne, and I said, yeah. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
I'll just play dumb if they ask.
And the name of the boat is called Iris.
Did you already get it?
Yeah.
And the crew is getting ready.
Or was it?
It's Jessica, not Sammy.
Was it? Okay, Sammy would have been.
So getting ready.
So if you want to laminate a little sign.
And these are the instruments. I'm going to show them a little bit more later when the boat goes. Okay, we started the engine.
So we're gonna just let it warm up for a few minutes. Not a few minutes, maybe a minute or so. All right, life ring. My OCD demands that the letters with the UL rating be just like that. Whoever hung this gets a demerit. We're gonna have to lash them to the mast and whip them with the cat o' nine tails. Here we go. Good job. Anticipating a much better departure without the wind. Thank you, Red. Just very slow door, keeping it from scraping, and we're good. Yeah, don't worry, just keep pulling, Tim.
I'm off now.
Wonder bar. As long as I'm still turning, so the wind blows the bow and not the stern. So as I was trying to turn this way, the wind was blowing me back, and we just started drifting down the hole, and it was freaking hairy. It was hairy. It was scary. Everyone was looking, and you're the girl.
Oh.
You're the girl. Yeah, it's down. And now look at it. It's a perfect thing. Like, all the way out there. Unbelievable. Great this time. That was perfect. I know, but we have been through all these different formally and then documenting what conditions.
We're still motor range.
Really interesting.
I have the boat.
Sasha figured that out
Hold
already,
on.
and it's just not
I can take video. These are the instruments.
I never turn on.
We have the main sail
Always turn on GPS,
up.
and then I go get the
Not
boat
the
ready,
jig
and
yet.
then I turn on
But we are
the
still not.
autopilot. So he's coming in. See, there's two of them, so they're probably going to pull out a big Navy ship or something. Or they took, I bet they took someone out to sea and they're coming back. Yeah, because I don't see any ships.
It's coming to us this way, right?
Yeah.
One of the things you can see here in the bay, the tractor. Hey, so we pull the G
What's
out.
the wind though?
Now we have
What's the wind, George? Oh, whoops.
boat knots 0 right now.
Boat knots are 0, but we're
0.
moving.
Okay, the apparent wind 5.2.
That's good enough.
Yeah. Our big school of dolphins.
Oh my God.
Everybody's having a good time.
Thank you, Frank. We love you, Frank, for putting Iris together for us. We're wearing your life jacket, sitting on your chair, sailing.
Okay, so this is Zuniga.
Yes, and you can see
It's
how
danger.
you can see how people end up
You have
sailing
to stay away
across,
from
and
that part
people,
of the sailing.
people
Staying
sail
away.
in between these sets of rocks and think that this is good water, and they quickly run into the rocks that are right now hidden.
Right.
But at low tide, you see all the. It's a rock wall that
Right.
gets covered by the tide.
That's life on the rocks for you.
Yeah, between that rock and this one. Don't go there. In San Diego Bay is relaxing. Not falling asleep, just relaxing. Looks like the captain is relaxing too.
It's a sailboat shavasana.
Thank God we are on automatic. We are working hard. Look how long it is.
We just have that one little one, right?
Oh, but there's a big.
Oh yeah, I know. Oh, that comes with us.
Two ladies having a really great time.
We love Iris.
I can see why.
Iris is the best. Thank you, Frank.
We are on a collision course with this guy here. We are going to go behind him and circle around. It's very close. Not even a quarter of a mile. And all the ladies, they have fun. Trinity has to be in the video. They are our neighbors in the docking area. So, Leanne's friends.
Hey!
I think I forgot to send it to you from last Tuesday. Okay. I gotta find your email again.
Yeah, and I need to get your. I took
I
a.
got a good one with my big camera. Okay.
Oh, thank you. I got a bunch of good ones to send you too. I'll get your email from Tiffany.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, you guys always look amazing.
Nice, a little more sun
Yeah, I know, right?
at the last minute.
Yeah. Would really be deadly. And it really is cool that they, these guys, they do this for a living, and they know they're coming into a pleasure craft area, and it's tight quarters. For a ship this size, this is very tight quarters. They can't make a mistake.
He also knows that the ship is really fast and can't, it's not moving.
Yeah, Clovis can't stop. Clovis is not. Clovis takes 2.5 nautical miles to actually stop. So he's already trying to stop right now.
That's Clovis.
It's going to take him that.
What a nice pilot.
Keeping us.
Still has boots on the bay and like you said, he's drunk and partying.
Wow, it felt like they really were courteous to us. That was so here's the. They're looking down. Hey! Up there. This is so fun. Interacting with people. Wow, Clovis. We had the most courteous pilot boat come by. What city or what's the name of the
So
town?
our trip
Oh, it's in actually
It's
Tampa
reaching
proper, not like a suburb of.
No. I mean, my family lives in Spring Hill, but I
was a
don't want to
beautiful
live there.
day.
It's too sleepy.
Oh.
Another thing you see when you go sailing in San Diego Bay, you see everything.
got kayaks. Look at the dinghy with the 20 horsepower engine. Is that a 20? Oh my god, mine's a 9.9. That's a hell of a fast boat on the. Okay, they're letting me know that's where you turn in. That's nice because that can get confusing if you don't look at the boat that's. Look at that, yeah. And at night it's all lit up different colors and stuff. Rand, you want to get the, Tiffany, you want to get the fenders and lifelines and bow line out? That's going to blow
And that's
my
our
bow,
sleep
though,
there.
my paper.
Can you see because of Million?